situation of conflict and continued foreign occupation defy the promise of the United Nations to save succeeding generations from the scourge of war and to guarantee the self-determination. Ladies and gentlemen, long-standing unresolved disputes from Kashmir to Palestine continue to face a serious challenge and pose a serious threat to the regional and international peace and security. The ramifications of the adverse impacts of climate change and climate-induced disasters are not only being felt beyond boundaries, but also across generations. And it's not too long away that we just had a very sad flash floods experience in 2022, and being one of the least emissions country, less than 1% of the global emissions, we are one of the top 10 vulnerable countries. Our failure to address the structural deficiencies in the international financial system is aggravating global inequalities and poverty. Hatred and discriminations are on the rise in the form of xenophobia and Islamophobia. Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, in this midst of these turbulent times, a region unfortunately is yet again standing on the brink of another conflict. Over the course of the last couple of weeks, baseless allegations as well as unilateral, politically motivated and highly provocative actions taken by India pose a grave threat to regional and international peace and security. There appears to be calculated and premeditated attempt to escalate regional tensions, following a familiar pattern: level accusations against Pakistan without evidence, use inflammatory rhetoric, incite war, hysteria, and use this as a pretext for aggression and unilateral actions. Why I'm saying so? I just want to remind and not go into detail. I'm sure all of you, it's not decades old, it's just 2019. Pulwama, media hype, rhetoric, followed by unilateral